Hey loves, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. What's up, you guys? So my tutorials consist of reviews, makeup looks, my favorite products, and skincare, hair, anything you guys want. If you guys are interested in that stuff, then you guys are in the right place. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. That way you guys don't miss a post. And make sure you guys hit the bell too. Don't be forgetting the bell, okay? Don't forget. So Shopware Beauty sent me their Puff Puff Give stack of glitters, which is amazing and gorgeous. So in this tutorial, I wanted to do a 420 friendly makeup look. You guys already know that I love her glitters so much, and these are hers. This is the Puff Puff Give stack. So pretty. I use the top one and the bottom one. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like it. I know I'm like a day late, and by the time I film this and it's gonna be up, it's gonna be like, okay, why did you need to do it? But I wanted to do it. So yeah, I did use the Norvina Volume 2. This is the only palette I use for the whole look, and I use shades C4, E3, and A1. No, A2, sorry. So this is how it looks, you guys. You guys already know how this beautiful palette looks. I love this palette. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Loves, so let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be taking the shade C4 and just packing that all over the lid, and I'm going to be taking the shade E3 just to blend out C4. Just blend, and now I'm going to be taking the shade A2, and I'm going to be cutting the crease with the ABH eye primer, which I love. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my Shopware Beauty stack, and I'm going to be taking their adhesive, which I actually really loved. Oh my god. So I mixed the two colors, the top and the bottom, the last one. Now I'm taking the ABH eyeliner, which I love, and oh my god, you guys, these lashes are bomb. These are from Beauty Creation lashes in the style Snatched. Girl, yes. And I love this ABH eyeliner so much. I'm just showing how cute I look. Taking my favorite blush ever, you guys already know, hands down, in the KKW 1.5 lipstick and the Nude 2 lip liner. Just setting my face with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist. And here taking the highlighter from Revlon. So this is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys love it as much as me, because it came out so cute. I love it. I think it looks cute. And guys, so Beauty Creations came out with some lashes, some new lashes, and these are their 3D faux mink lashes. You guys. I'm wearing the style Snatched. She's cute. Super obsessed with their lashes, and the new ones that they came out with are $6.99. These are faux mink. And I tell you guys, these are the bomb lashes and inexpensive. They're it, girl. They're it. Alright guys, so I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching and supporting your girl. It means so much to me. You guys already know I freaking love you guys. So again, I'm more active on Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me, I will have everything linked down below so we can be friends. You guys already know. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.